Clickbait, also known as linkbait or linkbait, is a text or thumbnail link designed to attract attention and entice users to follow, click that link and view, read, stream, or listen to the linked online content. It is typically deceptive, sensationalized, or otherwise misleading. Did you look around on the internet? You see exactly what clickbait is. In fishing terms, if you were a fisherman, you'd put bait on the hook. What is that bait designed to do? It is meant to make the fish bite the bait so you can reel the fish into your boat or onto the pier where you're fishing. How in the world could this be related to the internet? Very easily. When someone has a YouTube channel discussing Mr. Ash Mufari's former company as if it's still operating and selling digital products, that's clickbait, that's sensationalism. Clickbait is deceitful. Clickbait is unethical. Clickbait is a temporary means of accumulating pennies instead of dollars. Instead of waiting to receive financial security that will completely change the legacy of your family, you engage in clickbaiting. Those who are engaging in clickbaiting are still advertising Mr. Ash Mufari's former company and the digital products it once sold. These clickbaiters are directing founders and affiliates to click their channels just to make money. So my question is, why are founders and affiliates clickbaiting? No one wants to follow someone who is openly misleading people just to earn pennies on their YouTube channel. Why are they doing that? When you openly deceive someone to lure them to your YouTube channel and then say, "I've got something even better than what I just lied about. Here's the link. Click it and all your dreams will come true," that is manipulation. Affiliates and founders, when you click those links, you go back to the past. It's the past you escaped when you joined Mr. Mufari's first company. When other companies tell you, "This is the best thing we've ever seen," don't believe them. Instead of waiting for Mr. Mufari's new direction company, some founders and affiliates say, "Well, it might never happen," which is categorically the biggest lie being perpetrated on the internet. If someone asks you to jump ship when there's no water, when nothing is harming or wrong with Mr. Ash Mufari's new direction company, you're being misled. When you click that clickbaiter's link, you might be replacing your dreams with the nightmares you ran away from. Anytime you see misleading information and click on it, you've been clickbaited. Clickbaiters lose money, but those producing the clickbait are making money. I would not do anything to jeopardize our position as founders and affiliates of Mr. Ash Mufari's new direction company. If you stop clicking those clickbait channels filled with garbage, they'll stop producing the clickbait. Wise up and get yourself ready. When Mr. Mufari's new direction company launches, you'll be in the best position to make all your dreams come true. This new direction company will turn our current nightmares into sweet dreams.
Got a shiny thumbnail, got a line headline. Sick break, 6 moves, click here, get rich quick, friend. Selling digital ghosts from a dead company shore. Fishing for your doubts, wanting more. Pennies in my pocket while you dream about gold. Feeding you the past that your own hands once sold. Don't bite the hook, they're selling yesterday's smoke. Don't click the lie, let them bait a boat sink and die. Your future's coming down the track. New directions got your back, so let that clickbait rot away. The dream's legend any day. They whisper jump ship, water's fine, but there's no water, just a twisted sign. Trading dreams for nightmares, click by click. Digging the same hole that made you sick. Might never happen, that's their poison bait. Starving your faith with doubt and hate. Don't bite the hook, they're peddling panic and greed. Don't click the pain, break the chain. Your legacy's too bright to fade. New direction, solid. you close your eyes to the past. New directions coming fast. Got a shiny thumbnail, got a line headline. Secret 6 modes, click here, get rich quick, friend. Selling digital ghosts from a dead company shore. Fishing for your doubts, wanting more, more, more. Pennies in my pocket while you dream about gold. Feeding you the past that your own hands once sold. Don't bite the hook. They're selling yesterday small. Don't click the lie. Let them beta boats sink and die. Your future's coming down the track. New directions got your back. So let that clickbait ride away. The dream sledge win any day. They whisper jump ship, water's fine, but there's no water, just a twisted sign. Trading dreams for nightmares, click by click. Digging the same hole that made you sick. Might never happen, that's a poison bait. Starving your faith with doubt and hate. Don't bite the hook. They're peddling panic and greed. Don't click the pain. Break the chain. Your legacy's too bright to fade. New direction, solid handmade. So let that clickbait burn to dust. In Ashes vision we trust. Stop the clicking, start the snake. No more views for fakes. They'll shrivel up and blow away when founders choose to stay. Wise up, get ready. The real tide's turning steady. Nightmares into sweet sunrise. Open your clear eyes. We won't buy the wood. We see through the dirty book. We won't click the scam. We stand with Ash and his plan. The ground is fertile, can't you feel? Real deal spinning on the wheel. So let that clickbait print and fall. New directions taking off. Clickbait dies when you close your eyes to the past. New